In the last Doge price prediction, I gave you this short right here. It was a very small short, but also we've kept in mind the longer term time frame stuff. And one of them is this level right here, which is a very strong level on the daily chart. I just want to mark it out with the proper color, which is this one. And we just hit it, and that's why I'm going for another short to VWAP as we speak. I don't want to waste a second of your time, but that's basically it. I'm shorting Doge again. We've got some really good results, especially on meme coins. If you're wondering how I made 260 grand on BoX, 28 grand on a new wallet from nothing, you can find a link in the description down below to my Signals chat, and also a link to my course. Price the course very cheap, Signals chat as well, so definitely to check them out. Also, I'm making a switch to BLOFIN from Mexi. BLOFIN are giving away $30 bonus and 50% spot fee discount, so definitely do check them out. The links will be available in the description down below. This video is no financial advice. Make another Doge video tomorrow. Bye.